Okay, so for undergraduate admission, we normally there are each different provinces, and I will be explaining to you only one province. There is a system that's called Ontario University Application System, and you apply on through that website. And in that website, I'm going to show you how you apply and what programs are available. But that is a useful website where you go there, visit there, create your account, and then select your universities. For the first three universities, you pay around 150 Canadian dollars. But after that, if you want to select more universities to increase your chance of acceptance, you can select more universities, but it costs around $100 for each additional university you select. But the beauty is that on the OUAC website, you can go and select any universities, look at their requirements, look at their programs, and see what programs interest you. All right, so now we reach on to our OUAC website. You can see the address is www.ouac.on for Ontario, so on.ca. So when we come here, as you can see, there are several ways we can apply. So if you are a Canadian high school student, then you can go on to undergrad admission form 101. Otherwise, if you are international student, you can go on to undergrad 105 form. If you are applying for a law graduate, a law admission for law program, you can go on to click this one. And if you are going to for other program like rehab sciences, teacher education, or medicine, all those ways are here. So if we click here on undergraduate 105, because we are applying as a international student. So now we reach on to this criteria here. Applications, you can select selecting an application undergraduate criteria. So we said that we are 105 criteria, and I want to apply for undergrad 105. But if you have other programs like law, medical, rehab, teacher, you can go on to other programs. And now you can see here these are different explanations here for 105 criteria. So the person is not living in Canada, he will apply, and he has done schooling and not in Canada at the moment. So we go on to further down, and you can see here is an application. So in order to make an application, you have to log in, or if you don't have this login thing, you can go and create your OUAC account for 2021 admission, for example. And also that there is application guide, and it explains everything here. And then at the bottom you can see all the university information here. So suppose we want to go on to one university called Brock University. You just click Brock University like we did here, and it takes me here on the website, second website here, and you can see it can see all the information about the Brock University. You can have about what is your university, notes, program choice and orders, an offer of admission, application deadline, entry points, deferral, etc., etc. So you can see all those all the information in there. So one more important point here I want to say is, if I go back here and if I want to go further, and you can see all here, there is a link to Ontario universities, so you can contact the universities of your choice. You can contact them, all the links are available here. And all other Canadian universities, if you don't want to go to Ontario universities, then here is a universities other provinces. You can go to Universities Canada website, and then you can explore all universities in different provinces as well. If you look at here, uh, all these fees, everything is available here, all the information. You want to see what program you want to go, so let's go and click on the programs, browse the programs, and then you reach to a new website. Here you can just choose the program. But first of all, your status is no status, because you are neither Canadian citizen, permanent resident, study permit, diplomatic, refugee, or visitor, so you have no status in Canada. And when you save it, here you'll see you can get all the program category by the university, which university offers what kind of programs. And in that way, you can just click by the university if you want to see. So we click by the university, and then again we can see here there is all those universities are here. And then if you want to again go over to Brock University to see what programs Brock University offers, so we click again Brock University here, and we entered into a new browser here, and then the programs are all the review the Brock University requirements, visit Brock University, I mean part-time applications, or what, all the information is available here. So that's how we do it into the admission for undergrad. For graduate, it's different, completely different, and I will talk that at the end of this video. Here is a detail of tuition fees for undergraduate and graduate programs by different provinces. And as you can see, overall in Canada, according to the Statistics Canada website, undergraduate admission fee, cost of education for undergrad is around $32,000 for undergrad international students, and $19,000 for graduate university students. Newfoundland, by all means, is the cheapest province, with an average of around 12,000 Canadian dollars for undergraduate tuition fee, and only 4,100 for graduate. Ontario, I mean British Columbia, but Ontario is the most expensive province to study, and undergraduate fees per year is around $40,700, and graduate fee is around 25,000 Canadian dollars. However, there is one thing that I want to point out here. This is an average, and it includes many programs, including medicine and engineering and pharmacy and dentistry. Those programs are really expensive. So if we exclude those programs from this average, for Ontario, the average tuition fee for undergrad program is around $20,000 to $25,000 per year for all other programs except engineering, dentistry, medicine, and pharmacy. And for graduate is around $12,000 to $14,000. So you can see where you want to go. There are many provinces which are cheaper than the others. So one point to note is that all universities have almost same standard of education, and they are all respected.